Okay, so we're gonna do 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So in order to do 1 and 2, you're supposed to be facing towards yourself. Your palm should be facing towards you, unless you're telling how old you are, like, "I'm 1, I'm 2, I'm 3, I'm 4, I'm 5." Then you're for 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, if you're telling how old, then you face towards the person that you're speaking with. Or if you're talking about time, it's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, or it's 5 o'clock, then you also face your palm towards the person that you're talking to. But if you are not talking about how old you are or the time, then you're facing for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you're facing towards yourself. So it would be 1, 2, and then buckle is the buckles are coming together and then they're latching. So 1, 2, buckle, oops, buckle, not just together. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And then 3, 4, shut the door. So door would normally be a door, but for some reason, when you shut the door, it is such like this. At least in hand speak ASL, which is the deaf people online for American Sign Language, and it would be different in different areas, but that is what they are telling us. So shut the door. So let's do this again. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. And then 3, 4, shut the door. Ready for 5? So we're still facing towards ourselves. 5, and then 6 faces out. 6, and then we're gonna pick up, and then the stick would be like a limb of a branch coming off of a tree. So we can take the branch off the tree. So ready? 5, 6. So that's your thumb and your little finger, 6. Pick up sticks, and then 7. So it goes 5, and then the thumb goes over to the baby finger. That's 6, and then 7, 8, and 9. So it just keeps going over 1, and then there's 10. So, all right, so where are we? Let's start from the beginning. Here we go. Ready? Facing towards ourselves. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat, and it's a girl chicken. So it would be female, and then bird. So bird and chicken are the same word. I guess because those are the ones we see a lot on the farm. So it would be, we'll start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to start with 5. All right, so facing towards us. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat female bird. Because we want a big fat hen for our dinner. So, all right, so we'll start from the beginning again. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, I hope you got it right. 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. That's a bird. All right. Thanks.